Okay. We have the topics of today's debate is religion should be taught in the school. There's a team A and there's a team B. Team A will support yes, there should be a religious instruction should be taught in the school, and there's a team B will take against the topic that is the religion must not be taught in the school. Let's open the debate from team A. Go on.
Religious. Religious is a very important topic in our school or the colleges, because when we teach or taught about religious with a student who he connected with our society and each other. When I teach and taught importance of religious, they connected each other. They have a unity with each other, and religious is very important to in all of every area like economy and polity. If I talk about religious, and in India, many religious festival celebrated, and every festival, every religious people involved in the festival, they celebrate with each other, and if I talk about the politics, in the politics, all religious are involved in the politics. When all religions did not involved in politics, they were conflicted in our society. And then we have to teach and taught our every religious and the importance to taught with our students in our school and the colleges.
All right. From team B.
Very good morning to all of you. As you told us about the religious should be studied in our school. But while it is studied in our school, then it will create a lot of problem in the school, because in the system of studying religions in the school, the syllabus should be very lengthy, and the teacher and the particular minority student is also coming in the school, because in the school there should be not disposed types of religious books, because in the particular religion, because all the religions have their holy books, and their holy books are very lengthy. And how it is possible to teach all the student all the religious book, and it will be also not written in any religious book that he should be study all the religious book. And all the religions have their own culture and tradition. So we can't interfere on their culture and tradition. If we study a particular religion in a school, then in the school there is coming a particular religious student, and there would be discrimination between a minority caste. If there is a minority caste children, because in example I give you, in their DAV school, the school there is studying mainly the Hindu student, and if there is any Muslim student going there, then it will be making discrimination with him. Example, my student, he is going to the school, and in his class there is only 3 students in Muslim minority. Then he should be discriminated by all the students. He said, you are Muslim and you are doing very bad things. This is discrimination in the school that is doing. If the syllabus is given to the school, the syllabus is also too lengthy. And if you say about the politics is also doing very bad with the religions in the aspects of religions, because in a particular religion, there is a particular religion, and the candidate that we are debating candidate and also belongs to a particular religion. That is the discrimination between all the minority caste. If I say about the locality area, it is Begusara, and their representative who is standing for our, that is a Bhumihar. And it means the voters who gives him vote, it is all the caste of Bhumihars.
So, on team A,
Yes, sir.
produce counter arguments.
What did you know about religion?
Tell me what you want.
You tell that the religion books should not be taught in schools because it's very vast and it will maybe create a discrimination between other castes, right?
Yes.
But I would like to tell that this is only your mindset and the people's mindset that this will create a very bad impact on the other castes. Because any religious book does not write that there should be discriminate in Hindu or Muslim or other than. Got it? And if you study about the religions like Bhagavad Gita, you will find that your every problem solution is there. Because in ancient time, our ancestors are well intelligent in comparison to us. We are nothing in front of him. So if you want to be a happy life, we have to be followed our religion.
But I want to tell you, if you study Quran Sharif and the Bible, there is written, there is only one God. And if we are celebrating Holi, you are also listen about if some Muslims wives are going from there, and if the color should be going on his body, then it will be a matter of conquered is started.
There should be religion, with secularism. You can follow all the religion. That depends upon you. Yes, I will go.
If the school start to teach all the religions in the school, then it will be a lengthy chapter. Then how it will
That doesn't consider in your syllabus, right? It is only the way of life. You need to know that the religion is only your way of life. What you are living. Not in the examination, the teacher asks what is the religion, what is the religion, what is the
If you
religion.
study in the school, then the syllabus, then the question will be also coming from religious book. Then how can you do it?
Nothing. Physical education. Did you ever heard about SUPW? Sports classes?
Yes.
But there is no examination for sports
This
classes.
examination is religious books 10 just like
can go
essay.
SMU.
10 examination board in essay. This book is
Mindset. You can go MU.
AMU, Aligarh Muslim University.
You can go AMU. Mindset religious person. You can go my way.
Yes. I can go. I'll visit masjid. I'll visit churches and I'll visit Gurdwara also. There is no person who will discriminate with you. That is upon you that you will discriminate over there.
There is your mindset.
There is no matter.
Religion mindset. Religion is part secure part of our life. There is not produce other people to other people. You think religions are. I personally, I am Hindu. You are Sikh. Your personal thing, not a social thing. Religion. Why religions take in class?
When we truly read our religion, in religion that is written that from religion we learn unity, not discrimination.
Silent.
Unity is promoted in the religion. That not discrimination is promoted.
Religion is a
From
produce
religion we
mob.
learn unity.
Religion is a produce mob of our society.
That is the
Why?
Also people supported by religion and get away.
Without like and Sikh Danga
Is supported one religion.
It means that if there is one negative point to follow the religion, that means we can't follow our religion, and we in school and college due to the lengthy syllabus we can't read it. But also if you study in standard 1, if any subject in standard 1 we have to learn weak things. But when we study in standard 10, one by one each step we learn many things. Like in religious book also, if we start from the beginning, we learn many things. And religion always learn to promote unity, not to promote discrimination.
I'm told about it. all the religions should be not the purpose of doing anything in the your student. So do not think about and this religion will do this because religions are the particular dividing all things, not a unity. Dividing all people. Religions are divided. I mean to see all of them. What are you thinking? In the school times,
you are
in
saying
the
both
school
of
times,
freedoms,
all the
right?
aspirants should be learning them. Not as I'm the Hindu, I'm the Sikh, I'm the Muslim. So what?
This is the mindset of the person. You are saying we are freedoms. We both are spies from different reasons, but we live together like a sister. If we want to create a good relationship with any religious people, we are created. This is the mindset of the people. Like when Aspa is coming in the school at that time, if I would say do not friendship with people just because of the Muslim religion, this is not the fact. That is the fault of the people. But we can see that in our school, they all are reading Bible. But why we all are not reading that book and
Yes, I am also telling about
Bible reading is there.
Bible?
In so many schools, there are so many people are standing in front of stage and they all are reading Bible.
I
In so
not
many
read the
schools, like St.
Bible.
Paul and R. So many schools.
Anyone, just by going on, right? Then you should decide.
कैप्टन इधर बात माने
I think
तुम्हारा जवाब दे सबका जवाब
का जवाब एक के बोला
ये सब क्या करें? बाकी बाकी ऊपर
सबको बोले
क्या करे सर मौके मिला उधर बोल रहा कर रहा है
As you told about that religion gives us unity, then I want to say that if this unity goes to extreme level, it becomes worse because if a group of people of a specific religion go for tajir and the other religion go for their purpose, then there is a matter of contention between both of them because of their extreme unity. This extreme unity became bad in the form of rights and other things and fighting between both of them. So extreme unity is not good. So I want to add this point.
Before you start, raise your hand and then leave it. Anyone? Raise your hand and then from team.
हाँ तो भाग
Yes.
रे
Go on, be silent. Be silent. Go on. Raise your hand and then speak. Yes.
Study our religious is important because we friendship with other religious persons and we make family members and we celebrate that his festival and he celebrate my festival and where it
You are captain, no? You are captain. You are captain.
बहुत
What is the role of captain? Go on. Not some captain.
we all make
तुम बोलो सुने ना तुम बोलो
and they make family members and they all are celebrate our festivals in Diwali. In Diwali we celebrate Diwali and we are firing crackers and Muslims are also firing crackers because they celebrate Diwali and we make familiar with each other.
माइंड से खत्म कर दो ना वाला
नहीं सर
पढ़ाई करो
बंदा होता है
Raise your hand from team B. Yes, go.
First of all, good morning all of you. And Ravi said, I'm going to Mandir, church and masjid. Many more people go to Mandir, masjid. This is not reason for he is reading for religious book. This is no matter for reading religious, you can go to many more religious temple. This is not issue.
I'm not talking about that.
And you are talking that.
No, actually, I to tell that I am Hindu. And basically, I go to.
No, I am in.
That doesn't matter. You are
Hindu.
It doesn't matter.
I think we read
That
I
I go to.
I think we read you Quran Sharif, go visit Masjid.
Yeah, yes,
Why should I go to visit masjid to read Quran Sharif? Have you read?
No, sir. Only I am going to
Why we are going to masjid to read Quran Sharif? There is only one thing to do in masjid. That read only Quran Sharif.
You are to reach.
Why? Go there and read Quran Sharif.
Yes.
खत्म कहाँ हुआ? भाई खत्म होने
Yes.
And the next topic is that Purnima said the many more Christian people,
Not Christian.
In Christian
in Christian school, and you know that many more Christian schools and reading for many more Hindu person, Muslim person. This is a religious view is not good for in our society because many more students are Hindu, many more students are Muslim, and they are not for good impact for because all students' mind is not for good religious.
The way of teaching is not good.
Because
No. If you teach like a friend, yes, this is a good religion, but you can follow another also. Then they will change the mindset of the children.
why I am following another.
That yes. This is the reason why you are following other religion, right? But you have to be secular.
I am secular. Very कोई टॉपिक ना आप काय साथ अपना नहीं तो
Yes, first raise your hand from.
बोलो फिर हम
Raise your hand first. Who want to go?
सत्यम बोलिए
First raise your hand and then.
हाँ बोलिए शर्माने बात नहीं आवाज खाने नहीं
Visalan. Yes.
religion is very bad effect. Religion is very bad effect in our class. Students speak in religion. Religion means to protect other people's and his own protect. All the students and some people speak in caste. They are the very bad effect in our class, and they disturb in mind, and they are fight to and students and other people and people who were both other states, so they speak in caste. They are the very bad effect. Because religion means protecting other people. They are the help to other people. Those people who speak in caste, they are the very bad effect in religion.
When we teach in school about religious, that has to know about many things like ethics, culture, and also know about religious festival that connect the modern days and ancient days. That's very good for our country and also many
As we know, India is a secular country. So in our constitution, there is a detail religions are prohibited all religions. So in our class, whenever Hindu teacher will teach the class, so they tolerate only Hindu because he made Hindu teacher. Because minority is not tolerated with all religion. So
That is why we need to change the mindset of the teacher that how can we
So there is one topic religion should not be taught in
Yes.
university.
You also can change to that.
if my team is not strict, then
You say religion in teacher, different types of religion. Teachers are be different type. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, different types of teachers. Teachers means they give knowledge. Hindu या Muslim या Sikh, they give knowledge, everything. They are our concentrate mind. That time you should be, some people catching, some people not catching. That time.
I said it is discrimination among the students. Like when Hindu teacher teach about the importance of religion and the Muslim teacher teach about the importance of Muslim religion, it creates discrimination among the people. So this is a wrong. Religion will not taught in the class or school.
No,
Sir, it's
religion
also
is equal.
If he teaches about our religion, is he and in any condition, is he follow our Hindu religion, he belongs to Hindu. But he follow the Hindu religion
Yes.
in coaching center.
I also mentioned something about it. We should not follow any particular religion because this is a secular country.
that is why I was told that we should not follow. We should, if you want to follow, then we have to follow all the religions. If you do not want to follow, then you are not meant to follow any religion.
But we have to. There is topic to study in our class. There is a topic to study in the class, not in the follow the any religion.
From religion, we learn.
Who want to go? If you want to follow, then you have to follow all the religions. Not only particular one. If you follow only for one particular religion, that is not
You know about India is democracy country and all.
Yes.
Why am I?
Just go on.
Sir, this is point. This is right. You cross limit.
What cross? You know about India is a secular country? Then
Yes.
why?
Go on, very good. Go on.
And you know India is democracy country.
You know India is a secular country.
यार ये तो कोई बात
India is a democracy country and also.
कहाँ क्या जाता तुम आप बोलो
Democracy gives you secularism.
सब डेमोक्रेसी देता है
And vice versa also.
Yes sir.
Yes, religion gives you
Your
democracy.
voice is loud
Yes,
here.
sir.
I know.
God.
चलो बोलो क्या बोलो
हाँ.
वही बातें इनको बताना था डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री इसलिए नहीं बोलो सेकुलर कम नहीं बोलो
Please be silent. This new speaker, please.
Ravi we are saying we are
means
we are can't following all reasons. Yeah, I can't following all religions because my religion Hindu is very best for me. For all Hindus. And he is also saying that
It's fine. Okay, anyway, from team B.
sir
You want to go?
Team B, no.
मैं आज
religious के बारे में तुम बुआ
आप सर वाई वाई नहीं लगाएगा, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं।
क्वेश्चन है तो वाई लगेगा करेंगे। क्यों नहीं लगाएंगे क्वेश्चन होगा?
तुम भाग जाता है, काहे लगाएंगे?
व्हाट लगाइए
वाई का लगाएगा।
कोई बात नहीं है, जो लगाना हो लगाना।
हाँ, इंग्लिश में लगा रहा है।
है सुमन,
टॉपिक पता है? डू नो टॉपिक?
रिलीजियस
टॉपिक क्या है?
रिलीजियस इस टॉपिक के बारे में
पॉजिटिव आर्गुमेंट
पॉजिटिव आर्गुमेंट पढ़ना है।
अच्छा बहुत
our society and Indian religions topic is very well and India is a very religious country and all proper our society in a school, village and college. So many purpose of Bhagwan Buddha is a religious man and all over the religious for positive mind Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai all are religious brotherhoods and they cannot be individual and secular religions are so perfect are good thinker of Bhagwan Buddha and many sons of Indian school many thoughts of positive mind that are very good thinkers of Swami Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati and also are very good things our religious.
From team B?
Welcome to my country is called religious visitor. Just to like
Have patience.
many religious in schools. Just to like different school many religious. Just like library. Library provide
Not elaborate in many religious colleges.
many religious. Library is the important book in the different Granth provided by library. It help for mentally. That for mentally.
You say library. Library means they student learning that time lot of book, yeah, Bible, yeah, that your thing. That time you any knowledge. Library classes.
Just like called library is all provides in all religious students provide in different combined in different teacher in the disturbance of the student, just like in Granth Dharmic students in the book that is that's in the syllabus to the disturbance of the mental.
If people are doing discrimination between them, then we all are going for visit any tourist place, then they all are also think that if there is one Gurudwara, then all these Sikh people can enter the Gurudwara. Why? Because so many people are going there, then they are Hindu, Muslim, and all the people are going to visit there.
खाना खाने वाला बात आ गया, चलता है जो गेम। लंगर का बात आ गया वहाँ पर कभी भी
Yes, langar is obviously very important. Many
यार ये क्लास का बात कर रहा हूँ वहाँ से ले जा रहे गलत बात नहीं करना
अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रहे
हम चला ठीक है सर जाते हैं जेब में पैसा नहीं दे पा रहा
आगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट
वाह 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 इसके लिए
I don't.
Go, you visit Gurudwara, not read this culture Guru Granth Sahib. No, you not go visit read Guru Granth Sahib.
Yes, I am.
Just like
If you want to read that,
Sir, and
then no one can stop
go to
you.
visit in Guru Granth.
If I want to read Bible or Quran, then no one can able to stop me because there is no any rule that Hindu people can't read Bible or Quran.
Yes.
If I want to read this, then I read.
you read.
Yes, I read. Yes, I read.
वोट भी नहीं कर सकते
कोई ना फोर्स करने नहीं बोला आपको फोर्स किया जाता है
लग गया
कोई अपन ग्रुप का एग्रीमेंट कर वो अपने ग्रुप का
Don't laugh on each other because great things never come from comfort zone.
Sir, one thing we say, where it is written, we people not go Gurudwara, not go Masjid, not go temple. Where it is written, we not study Bible, not study
income source in Gurudwara temple.
who say you not study and not we go to
I am Bangal हो गया तुम जाओगे तुम
then why
आज तुम घूमता
पार्टी बोल सकता है
सर फाइनल बात सर एक फाइनल बात हो जाए सर जिसको मत नहीं जाना है जाओ जिसको मत हम लोग नहीं वाले बोलो जाओ जगह जाना है
काय करते हैं कि गलत है
मेरा मर्जी है कहीं को
मर्जी हम करें सही है
जाओ
क्वेश्चन है आंसर किसी का भी
टेंशन हो गया
देखो ठीक है तुम लोग का आर्गुमेंट हुआ इट्स फाइन वेरी गुड
Yes, sir.
पर ये बताओ टॉपिक क्या था
सर वही हम प्रोजेक्ट करना चाह रहे हैं सर आप कह रहे हैं कि स्कूल तक रहने दो इन करा कि हम जाएंगे जाओ स्कूल में नहीं बना किसी को
सुनो किसी स्टूडेंट को डाउट करो मैं बताता हूं ये बोल रहा है सुनो ये बोल रहा है कि जितने भी रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशन है चाहे वो गुरुद्वारा चाहे मस्जिद हो जो भी है वो टूरिस्ट प्लेस की तरह देखता है लोग क्यों ना देखे क्यों ना देखे
आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं आपको
नहीं हम बोल रहे हैं
नहीं सर
Not sir. फायर
ये नहीं था सर डिबेट के ऊपर
But
था
many-
सर ये क्यों घूमने के लिए क्यों बात है यहाँ पर तो सर आप रिलीजन के ऊपर सर एजुकेशन में डिबेट था सर एजुकेशन में सर
डिबेट है डिबेट एक टॉपिक पे
नहीं नहीं वैसे
Debate
कैसे
start
होता
कहाँ से होता है?
नहीं सर वो नहीं होता
वैसे
है
जो टॉपिक
नहीं, सर, ठीक है, सर, ये बात तो आप बोले हैं, ये नहीं बोला, सर। बजट से लेकर सीधे उनके पर चल जाता है, ये बात गलत है। नहीं सर, ईयर बन गया सर बीजेपी वाला, बजट से लेकर सीधे चल गया सर ईयर देशभक्ति पर, हिंदू मुस्लिम इसके
बीजेपी
हुआ कहाँ से डिबेटिंग करते मारते न डिबेट करते यहाँ स्कूल का था ये दंगा
देखो डिबेट सही बात है, टॉपिक कहीं से स्टार्ट होता है कहीं भी जा सकता है, लेकिन उसका कोई दायरा नहीं है, बात समझो, दायरे का रखना पड़ता है।
तो वही हम कर रहे सर,
ठीक है,
हर दिन मोबाइल
और वो रिलीजन शुड बी टॉट इन द स्कूल। ऑब्वियसली बात है, रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशन का बात होगा ही होगा यहाँ पे, चाहे गुरुद्वारा का बात हो, मस्जिद का बात तो होगा ही होगा, ना समझे? क्यों? आखिर तुम किताब आखिर तुम स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो, सुनो बच्चे लोग इधर सुनो, आखिर तुम लोग जो भी पढ़ रहे हो स्कूल में उसका तो एप्लीकेशन करोगे ही लेवल पे, एप्लीकेशन के लिए यही सब तो मिलेगा ठीक, चाहे वो मस्जिद हो जो भी है इंस्टीट्यूशन, चाहे अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी की बात हो, है ना, हर जगह बात होगा ऐसा। सो डिबेट करने का ठीक है, डिबेट अच्छा हो रहा है, इट्स फाइन, ऐसे होना चाहिए डिबेट। मैं ये नहीं कि पॉलिटिशियन वाला बुद्धि नहीं घुसा दे,
वही हम कर रहे
समझ रहे हो?
महिला मुद्दे से कहना चाह रहे सर, इस मुद्दा का हम क्यों नहीं जाओ इसको रुका
क्या बच्चा लोग बोला दंगा हो जाए तुम में, आप दूसरा आदमी में क्या?
वही कम कर रहा हूँ बात समझा रहे समझिए सर, सबसे गलत है, इसका विरोध करते हैं सर, इस बिल को मार रहे हैं सर,
ठीक है, अब तो बहुत तुम लोग इतना कमाल कर दिया है कि
वही गंदा बना दिया सर, इंक्लूडिंग मी।
हाँ बोलो
To stop the religious and discrimination, we have to teach and taught in every importance of religious in our school. In upcoming days, if we have to stop conflict, religious conflict, we have to teach importance of every religion. Then every student aware of religion, importance of religion, and upcoming day there are no conflict in our country and our society.
कौन जाना चाहता है कंप्यूटर?
हम जाना
लास्ट वन
ऐसा लास्ट वन कंक्लूडिंग
कौन बोलना चाहेगा?
बोल देते काल को लगा
आकाश जीवन को
बोले जाने दिमाग
यस
Sir, religious should be taught in school is not for good in our society. First of all, because the reason of political view, many more politicians and politician party, and the religious study for many more for time waste in our society. In my opinion, not for other opinion, because India is a democracy country.
Okay, fine. Clap for yourself.
Sir, बात बदल रहा है, कोई टॉपिक नहीं हुआ।
Okay, जाओ।
बंद करो।